In this video I want to show you 3 exercises from the very classical Hanon book to warm up and also to build finger strength. So let's go to it. Here is the first Hanon exercise. So you start on the C and then you jump directly with the next finger to the E. Okay, you don't do that, you jump here. And then your first finger, or the thumb or the pinky on the left hand, goes to the D. And you start the same pattern. You jump 1 key. Okay? So if you play all over the octaves, it's like that. And here you will go back, so from the D you go on the G and you do the same pattern but the other direction. So you go down to the E with the next finger. Okay, don't do that. You jump and then the same pattern. Here is the second Hanon exercise that I use for warm-ups. So it goes like that. You start on the C, E, and then you go to the A, okay? You go a bit further. Okay, you do this twice. And then you see your starting note is on the D. You start from the beginning on the C, when you go to this note, you will go down, so you start on G, then the E, and you repeat. This is the third Hanon exercise that I use for warm-up, is like that. So start on the C again, you jump to the E, then you jump to the A, and you go down and up, and then you start over on the D, from the D. when you go here on the F, you want to go down, so you do the same pattern but inverse, going downwards. So I practice these exercises every time I'm on the piano as a warm-up and also to build finger strength. Don't push on these exercises, okay? If you feel pain, stop, relax, because you can get injuries, so be very careful. But if it's used carefully, it's a pretty good exercise for the fingers and also just as a warm-up. So I really recommend that.